Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Lamborghini Huracan STO. First, settle into the driver's seat and familiarize yourself with the controls. Locate the red flap covering the engine start button, usually found on the center console. Flip it up, then press the button firmly to awaken the powerful V10 engine. Listen to that incredible sound. Ensure your foot is on the brake pedal throughout this process. Once the engine is running, you'll need to select a gear. The Huracan STO uses paddle shifters. Pull the right paddle shifter towards you to engage first gear. To select your driving mode, use the Anima selector on the steering wheel. Strada is ideal for street driving, while Sport and Corsa offer more aggressive performance. Release the parking brake, then gently apply the accelerator pedal to move forward smoothly. Driving the STO is an exhilarating experience. To shift up, simply pull the right paddle shifter. For downshifts, pull the left paddle. The car's advanced transmission handles shifts incredibly fast. Remember to look far ahead and anticipate turns. Smooth, precise steering inputs are crucial, especially with the car's responsive handling. Always be aware of your surroundings and drive responsibly. When you're ready to park, bring the car to a complete stop. Pull both paddle shifters simultaneously to engage neutral. Then, activate the electronic parking brake, typically a button near the center console. Finally, press the engine start/stop button again to shut down the magnificent V10 engine. Take a moment to appreciate the engineering marvel you've just driven. Congratulations on your STO experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.